today I'm going to make a one video. So I was out of the country for 6 months due to corona, and now this bike is sitting for 6 months, didn't even start. So battery is out already. It's charged, fully charged. So I'm going to start up. First thing, already clean the bike. Second thing, already remove the fuel, all fuel, put a new fuel. Just I need to connect the battery, then I'm going to show you some tricks. So enjoy the time lapse. Till that time I will remove the seat and put the battery on. And make sure you have oil. So my oil level is good. It's right here. It's between that. So let's work. Like an idiot, I didn't do the commentary on that video, so I have to do it. So actually I'm going for the dinner. I'm wearing a shorts. I'm not wearing any gear, just gloves and the shoes. After a long time, let's say you're going to start the bike, few things you have to do it. First of all, you have to be, what I tried, the basic trick is remove the fuel pump connector. Don't remove the fuel pump line, just remove the connector and crank the bike for a few seconds, so you will get the oil pressure inside the engine. Otherwise you will fuck your rings and the walls, especially the top engine head, because since bike is sitting for very long time, there will be no oil at all at the top. So that's a basic trick. You have to disconnect the fuel pump, just crank it for a few seconds, then turn it off, wait so the starter motor doesn't get hot, and then start again, and then start cranking for a few seconds, and then do this, and then you're good to go. And then connect your fuel pump connector again, and then crank your bike. It will start in 2-3 tries. That's a basic trick, and I forgot to tell you in the video, so I'm making this small video here and I will add it on the video. Okay guys, if you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Peace out, take care and ride safe guys.